In this video, we're going to be reviewing the Bose Sports Earbuds, not to be confused with the noise canceling earbuds. We're going to go ahead and open it up. I'm going to tell you guys how it feels, how I hear it, all that good stuff. We're going to talk about the specs and of course unbox it so you guys can see it. So before I open it up, I want to go over some of the specs that's right here on the back. Okay, so it is a powerful sound. That's why I went with a good quality Bose, and you guys already know that this one is definitely good for running, for gym, and all that good stuff. We're gonna get into that, but okay, we got a secure comfort fit. It does have that umbrella plug that goes right in your ear, and it makes it nice and secure, so it's not going anywhere. It is sweat and weather resistance. You got to have that if you're going to be going to the gym, because you're going to be sweating, you're going to be working out, cardio, all that good stuff. So you want to make sure you're going to go with something that is definitely water resistant, and this is it right here. So the charging battery life is 5 hours, and it does have a charging case. The charging case, it could do two full charges. So that's 10 hours in the charger and then 5 hours on the actual earbuds. So it's 15 hours total with one charge, and it is USB-C plug. I did want to mention that it is supported by Apple and Android. And then Apple, you could use it for your iPhones, of course, your iPad and your iPods, if you guys still have iPods, and of course, Android. So let's go ahead and open this up, and I want to show you guys exactly what it looks like. All right, as you guys can see, it has this nice, sleek design, this case. I love it. And this is the actual case itself. There goes that USB-C plug right here in the back. Okay, let me put that off to the side before we look at them. Let's just check out everything that comes with it. Okay, of course we have the user manual, which is right here. We've got the whole manual. We have the start guide right here, the quick start guide. And then we do have extra those umbrella earplugs. So we're gonna have a small and large. So you guys, of course, it's gonna also be the medium ones inside. You gotta make it fit the snuggest, because if you are taking this to the gym and you're going to be running, you want to make sure it's nice and snug. And then of course, you guys, we do have that USB-C plug right here. Okay, and that's going to be everything that it is included. So we're going to open this up. You guys can see it's like a nice sleek design. I love it already. We have in the back charging port, and then in the front you do have a button. All it is a push button, and it opens up just like that. Nice sleek design. You guys, I love it. You guys could actually see the blue lights right there. That means it is on and it's going to be up and running. We just have to connect it to the phone and then get the Bluetooth turned on. And you guys can see it does have that fast start Bluetooth button right there in the center. And then it does have 5 lights right here in the front, and that's going to be how charged your earbuds are. So if it's going to go all the way up to the top here, all 5 are lit, that means it's fully charged. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull these out so you guys could actually see what they look like. Okay, here goes one right here. You guys can see it is the left. This is the umbrella plug I'm talking about, so it's nice and secure in your ear. And this is going to be the number 2 plug, so it's going to be the medium. You guys can see right here, the number 1 is a little bit smaller, and then we do have the number 3, which is larger, so it does fit most ears. So just to let you guys know, that is there. And this is made out of silicone. It is, you know, you can move it around, all that good stuff. It goes in your ear, and it's like a nice, comfortable fit. It doesn't hurt, none of that good stuff, so it goes right in your ear. You guys, so the control is right here. You don't have any buttons. You could actually tap and swipe, so that's pretty cool that they did that instead of having buttons on there. I really do like that feature. This is the right one right here. As you guys can see, it does say R for the right. As you guys can see right here, that is the little microphone. It has like 6 little holes right there, so you guys can make phone calls. You could talk to your people right there with the right one plugged in right here. So I did want to mention that if you download the app, you have more controllability with your earbuds here. So of course you could switch it up to make it like, you know, you could pause it when you touch it. You could, you know, make it play, all that good stuff. So that's one cool thing you could do with the app. And you could also check the battery life. So that is another cool thing. Most of these earbuds do not offer the app. So I do like it that this does offer the app. So I also wanted to mention that they have a small little antenna on here. So you could actually take this 30 feet away from your device that you're playing the music on. So that is pretty cool. 30 feet is a good amount of space that you could kind of go back. So I do like that feature. Some earbuds only let you like 10 feet or so. So the fact that they're letting you go 30 feet is pretty cool. As you guys can see, I have it in right now and it does feel nice and comfortable. I told you guys it has that silicone, right? So the silicone padding, it's like just nice and it's on there and it fits nice and snug. It's not going anywhere. You could go on runs, play racquetball, tennis, whatever you guys do for sports, and it's gonna stay in there. Not to mention the good sound quality that comes out of here. You guys, I definitely recommend this earbud.